Hi everyone, Judy here. So today I'm gonna update you on what is happening on our construction. I am now at the ground floor. So as you can see behind me, this is the toilet. That is the stairs area. So they already, what's this? So the wall is already up to the ceiling and down here. Okay, and at this side, they already cemented it. So it's a bit cleaner now. And in here, so as you can see, there are two toilets here. So it's just the toilet is quite small. The toilet is quite small. It's about 1.2 meters. 1.2 meters by 1.2 meters. So behind me is gonna be the kitchen area. Okay. It is a micro apartment, so it's kind of cute. And in here, this side they already closed the wall. They still have to fix that one there. So maybe next week they're going to put some cement and make it cleaner. Okay. There you go. And then, so this is the gate. This is the opening of the stairs opening. Now let's go to second floor. As you can see, so this is what's happening here. First floor. Now let's go to the second floor. So guys, right now I am on the second floor. So I just have to scaffoldings everywhere there, and then this side they already made a wall. I didn't know, so they had this wall already. Oh, they're almost done here, and now they're actually preparing for the third floor. That's the third floor. Okay, I'm gonna show you the top view. Fifi's quite worried about me, so you can see her. So every time I come here in the construction, she always comes here. She comes with me. She looks like she's very worried. Somebody, before you go, somebody asked me about the ROI of this building. For short term, it's about less than 5 years. If it's long term, if it's long term, it's gonna be about 10 to 12 years. Depends around those years. If it's short term, definitely we are going to put so much effort into it in running the business. If it's long term, it's more relaxing because you just leave the tenant on their own and then do some maintenance here and there and all. So this property, it costs us around 4 million plus, and there's more to come. Actually, there's more to come. So all the stress are already given to them. They manage, they do everything, and he manages his own workers, so I don't have to stress myself out. So basically 4 million, including the building permits, the processing of permits. There are a lot of permits that we need to get. So I'm gonna talk about the permits and everything else in another video, but right now I'm just gonna give you some updates. Okay, so thank you so much, and if you like this video, if you're very new, subscribe. If you don't like this video, you dislike. If you approve it, you give me a like, comment, And yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna share with you today. Say bye. Say bye. Say do like that. Subscribe. You say subscribe.